How do you tidy up your table to leave the office? This is the true way I leave my office after a 8-hour shift. Whoa! A rapid way of me looking so tired at my desk, checking the time, and a way of cracking my brain, a way of how are you going to go home? The clock has struck 5 p.m. already, which is actually the time I leave the office. And like a great swish, my corporate self deactivated. I had to just pack up my bag, carry myself, try to see how to manage myself, and try to continue the mission of me going home. But at the moment, I had to still pack up the things I had at my. I told myself that I'm going to show my lovers, my friends here on how I do this, how I arrange myself, how I pack up, how I feel so worn out each day after 8 hours of work per day. Actually, I don't work on weekends, but weekends I try to set up myself and relax at home. So this is me already moving, getting so excited that I am going home at the moment. Talking to my colleagues and telling them bye. I'm actually going home. So I'm going to see you the next day. It's always so exciting for each workers when they're rounding up and going home. So I have to leave my office, walking down the staircase. Yeah. Walking down the staircase and trying to do the necessary things I'm supposed to do before I leave the office. Mission is simple. What? Escape. But there's a highly specific thing and step of rituals. Yes, I call it rituals that I have to perform before I leave the office. You're going to see it. I want you to look tight and close so that you see the kind of rituals I'm talking about. If you don't do this ritual before you leave the office, it's actually a taboo. Yes, it is. So you can see the excitement on my face, working out with joy and telling my colleagues, see ya. But I have to do this one rituals. Stay tuned and watch the rituals. Okay, about to do the rituals. I'm walking to where I'm going to do this amazing rituals. Are you watching it? Yes, so that is it. What is that? I know you were expecting something so big. That is the book of signing out. Okay, I have to sign out. You need to sign the time out. So that is the last ritual that I have to do inside the office before I step out. So I have done it. Join me. Let me show you how it is outside the office now. How many transportation that I use before I get home. So just join me. This is me walking with my colleague. He was so excited that he's actually going to appear in my video. It is an excitement thing to appear in this amazing girl's video. He was just catching fun, and I told him you're going to go online. He didn't mind. He was so excited. I'm like, okay, he's going to show his face on my video. So I'm actually strolling to go and pick my first transportation, and you're going to see how I move, how many transports I use before I get home. It's actually fun. It's an adventure. Yeah. So let me allow you enjoy the flow. Just go ahead with me. Stay tuned with me and enjoy the move till I get home.
God for everything. Thank God for the journey mercies from work. Yeah. So I'm dressing. I'm going to be undressing and wait for the smoothie.